Across Australia's expansive landscape, a sub-40-seat turboprop is far more than a commuter aircraft. It's how regional businesses access larger markets and specialised services reach remote locations. It's what brings the essential workers and tourists that keep remote outback towns and island communities thriving. It's the critical link sustaining the primary industries that anchor Australia's economic resilience. But these vital lifelines are quietly disappearing. Over the last 10 years, Australia's 30 to 50-seat fleet has shrunk by 40%. Today, the active fleet is smaller than it was in 2020, and these aircraft currently have an average age of 30 years. Within the next decade, 4 out of 5 aircraft will be in urgent need of replacement, or entire communities and crucial infrastructure risk being cut off. Operators need a solution built for Australia's vast geography and low population density, one that can handle short, unpaved runways, harsh conditions, and rising fuel costs. Enter the D328 Eco, a next-generation 40-seater aircraft set to revolutionise the turboprop experience. Bringing mainline passenger comfort to Australia's regional routes, the spacious, modern cabin provides a premium environment for travellers heading to the country's most isolated sites. Advanced PW127XTS engines are designed to maximise fuel economy, driving down operational costs for fleets across the Pacific. Purpose-built to operate on rugged outback strips and in extreme desert temperatures, it delivers the performance needed to support remote economies and sustain FIFO operations, where alternative transport simply doesn't exist. The future of regional connectivity in Australia is the D328 Eco. Join the turboprop revolution.